You have collected leads, but how can you nurture them? A big problem that affiliate marketers face is that they collect leads, but they don't know what to do next. So, to help you, I will share 8 strategies of what you can do after you collect the leads and how you can nurture them. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach, and let's jump in. I will first answer why you should nurture leads. Okay. I love talking in examples, so I will give you the example of planting and growing trees. Okay. So, why to nurture leads? Because nurturing leads is like growing a plant. Okay. So, it is not as simple as collecting leads and sending any email as you wish. Okay. There is a method, and I will share the steps that outline the method of how you can collect and nurture your leads. Okay. So there are 8 steps. The first step is to plant the seed, which is collect emails. Until you collect emails, how will you be able to nurture them? Okay, so the first step is to collect emails. And how can you collect emails is by 3 methods. Number 1, you can collect leads on website forms. If you visit my website shubhamjeetkumar.com, you will see a pop-up where you have to enter your name, email, phone number, and you will get something for free. Okay, so that is a website form. The second method through which you can collect leads is through social media. You can share your content on social media. You can address the problems of your target audience, and in return you can have a link to your lead magnet inside your bio, or you can even link your lead magnet in the stories. Okay, if you'd like to know which are the best lead magnets to collect leads, I'll link it in the I button. Okay, and the third method through which you can collect leads is webinars. I conduct webinars where I share 3 secrets through which any beginner can establish an affiliate marketing business. So inside webinars, I share knowledge, I share value, and in return to the value, I ask people for their emails. Okay, so you can create any lead magnet that you like, but whatever you create, integrate it with a lead form and place it inside your website, maybe a YouTube video description or social media. Okay, and once you have it, once you have the lead form ready, you are ready to collect leads. Okay, so step 1 was to plant the seed. Now planting of the seed is done. The second step is to water and give it sunshine. Look, once you have planted the seed, it is important to water it and expose it to sunlight to make sure that the plant or the seeds get adequate sunshine so they can grow. Okay, so the sunshine in this case will be to send welcome emails. So as soon as people register or sign up for your email list or sign up for your lead magnet, you can send them welcome emails. Now what should be inside a welcome email? According to my experience, you should have 4 things for to have maximum impact. Okay, the first aspect is talk about yourself and the company. When people give their leads, you welcome them and you introduce yourself or your company, share the mission and vision. Okay, share your why of doing the business. Okay, doing the business is not important, why you are doing the business is more important. Because my mentor said, when you are mission driven, when your company is mission driven, people are more likely to stay with you. Okay, so once you have shared about your company, you can emanate that vibe of excitement. When people see your welcome emails, they should feel as if you are really excited. Okay, so use action oriented adjectives such as I'm glad to have you, I'm thrilled to have you, I'm super joyed, I'm overjoyed to have you. So when your email subscribers go through when your leads read the line I'm glad, I'm thrilled, I'm overjoyed, then they feel welcome, they feel appreciated. And another thing you should have is provide value. Your welcome email is not just a welcome email where you share random information. Okay, even your welcome email should provide value to your audience. So as soon as people sign up, give them the lead magnet, give them something valuable for free or at a discounted price. Okay, and the fourth thing your welcome email should have is expectation. When people go through your welcome email, they should know what you do, why you do, and what they can expect to learn from you. Okay, so for example, if you are a belly fat loss coach, if you are an affiliate marketer who promotes belly fat loss products, you can tell in the expectation, or you can say to your leads that I'll be sharing information that will help you to lose belly fat in, let's say, 6 months or 1 year. Okay, so once the expectation is set, they know what's coming next. Okay, so that was about water and sunshine. Now, the third step is to fertilize the plant through valuable content. Now, how can you provide valuable content? According to me, there are three steps or three formats through which you can provide value. Okay, the first step or the first type of content that you can provide is informational emails. Inside informational emails, you can share what the topic is, tips to, let's say if you are a belly fat loss coach, if you help people to lose belly fat through through your affiliate products, you can educate people. You can tell what builds the belly fat, the reasons for belly fat, the side effects or harms of belly fat, how they can lose belly fat, share tips, steps, how to guides, and all that comes inside informational emails. Okay, the second type of content is customer reviews. If you really want to make an impact, make use of customer reviews. Through customer reviews, your audience or leads get an idea that the product we are promoting works and it has worked for someone who has used it. And the third type of content you can share is resources or tools. If you go to shubhamjeetkumar.com/resources, you will see all the systems or tools that I've used to establish my affiliate marketing business. Okay. Similarly, if you are an affiliate marketer who promotes belly fat loss products, you can share resources such as exercise guides, uh, diet plan, dumbbell set, yoga mat, and so on. Okay, so once you give everything that your audience can utilize and make use of to achieve their goals, it will come under resources and tools. And once you give them everything that they need, they will stick with you for long, and they will realize that this person really cares for me, and they become a loyal audience or a loyal subscriber. Okay, so that was step 3, fertilize. Now the fourth step is to prune. By prune, you maintain the shape of the plant. Maybe you cut out weeds, you cut out unnecessary material. Okay, so by pruning in terms of email marketing is to segment your list into different categories. Okay, you can segment your list by demographics. You can segment your list based on age, gender, or interests. Okay, the second segment could be by behavior. Maybe a particular set of audience is interested in a particular segment of your website. For example, if you are a belly fat loss, maybe a particular set of audience, a particular set of your email list is interested only in dieting, or maybe they are interested in yoga. Okay, so based on the behavior, you can segment your list. And number 3 is based on purchase history. If you have already had customers, you can segment them based on their purchase history. For example, if you promote dumbbells and yoga mats, people who have bought yoga mats, you can segment them into yoga mat segment, and people who have bought dumbbells, you can categorize them or put them into the dumbbell category. Okay, so that was step 4, to prune. And once you have pruned, the next step is to protect your plant from pests. By pests, I mean don't be spammy. Many affiliate marketers make the mistake of sending too many emails in one day. So what you have to avoid is, number 1, you have to send only one email every day. Ideally, send one email every day, because if you send too many, gradually your emails will move to the spam or promotions folders. Okay, so send one email every day, one piece of information every day is enough. Okay, number 2, quality emails. According to my experience, if you have 100 subscribers in your email list and only 15 of them engage with your emails, the rest 85 are useless. They are not quality subscribers. Okay, so remove who does not interact with your emails, who does not open, who does not click. According to my experience, you can filter such people out of your email list. You can remove them from your email lists in 6 to 12 months. Okay, uh, in June and December, I sit with my team and filter out people who do not engage with my emails and remove them from my system. Okay, so only keep quality emails. Why? Because if you have 100 people and nobody buys them, there's no point of having 100 subscribers. Okay, but if you have only 3 people but they engage with you regularly, then they are quality and they are more likely to buy. Correct? And the third thing you need to do is to have a clear unsubscribe option. If you receive emails from me, you would see that below my signature, regards Shubhamjeet, you will see an unsubscribe link. Okay, so when you click the link, you will not receive emails from me. Okay, so you should have 3 things. You should send 1 email every day. You should have quality email subscribers in your list, and you should have a clear unsubscribe option. So you have a very healthy email list, and there are no, you can say, pests or parasites inside your system. Okay. Now, sixth step is to harvest. That is to convert leads into customers. When you have followed everything, you have planted the right seed, you have given them enough water and sunshine, you have given them high quality fertilizer, you have pruned them well, and you have protected them from pests. The next step is to harvest, which is to convert leads into customers. Now, how can you convert leads into customers? Is number one, by giving them discounts. Every month or every 2 months, you can give a discount coupon where your audience can go and enroll into maybe your system, purchase your upgrade products, and so on. Number two, when there are festivals, you can give them discount coupons or special offers. Okay. And number three, you can give them special offers on your birthday, maybe your anniversary, maybe your company foundation day. Okay, so when you give discounts, special offers on festivals, people see that not only your product has value due to the testimonials, but you also give them an affordable price through which they can go and avail of it. Okay, so that was step 6, to harvest. Now the 7th step is to prepare for the next season. Once you have the plant ready, you have to prepare it for the next season. By that I mean you have to analyze your results and improve. Now specifically, there are 4 things that you should analyze always. Number 1, open rates. If you have sent 100 emails, see the number of people who open it. For example, if you send 100 emails and 20 people open it, then the open rate is 20, which is the number of emails opened, by 100, which is the number of emails sent, multiplied by 100 for percentage. So in that case, your open rate will be 20%. Okay, so higher the open rate, the better, but ideally about 20 to 25% is an ideal open rate. Okay. The second metric you should analyze is click-through rates. How many people have received your emails and how many people have clicked it is extremely crucial. Let's say you send 100 emails but only one person has clicked it, then the click-through rate will be 1%. Okay, you have to increase the click-through rate. Ideally the click-through rate is between 15 and 20%, but try to have it around 10%, because the less the click-through rate, then it will become difficult for you to persist with your business. Okay, there are many ways through which you can improve the click-through rates. You can have a catchy subject line, you can have an enticing copy, and so on. Okay, the third thing you should analyze is conversion rates. Conversion rates, in simple words, is the number of people who have purchased from your emails. For example, if you sent 100 emails and 3 people bought out of them, your conversion rate will be 3%. Okay, and the fourth important metric is unsubscribe rates. You also have to see the number of people who unsubscribe from your email list. Okay, if the unsubscribe rate is higher, you have to focus on your target. Okay, so that was step 7 to prepare for the next season. And the last step is to be patient. It takes a lot of time to get the kind of results that you want, and I'm pretty sure that you have heard about the bamboo tree example. Once you sow the seed of bamboo tree, for the first 2 years you'll have nothing, but you have to keep watering, because then I think in a couple of weeks the bamboo tree grows up to 80 feet. So you have to be patient, you have to sow the right seeds, you have to water, You have to provide value, you have to help your audience, you have to solve their problems, and once you do it consistently, you will see the fruits. Okay, so those were the 8 steps through which you can nurture your leads with email marketing, and you can convert your leads into paying customers. Now, those of you who want to learn affiliate marketing from scratch, who want to learn how you can launch and establish your affiliate marketing business, I want to invite you to my webinar. I've placed the link in the description box. You can click the link and sign up for my next webinar, where I will share 3 secrets through which I earned $3,328 in 17 weeks. And following those 3 secrets, you can launch and establish your affiliate marketing business in the next 90 days. So that's about this video. In this video, I shared how you can convert your leads into paying customers, and how you can collect leads and how you can nurture them. Okay, so that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you'd like to see content related to affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. So that's about this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.